That's a mood right there. Well, I told you guys that you will be seeing a quick little update, or not update, but just an overall overview, guy. I want to just do a quick one take, walk around this thing with y'all, show you what's still to come, why we put all this effort in, and, you know, just talk you guys a little bit. And you really only have a couple hours left, so if you want to go ahead, maybe less than that. Hopefully I'm just getting this up just for the few that want to just get a quick little background and know what else is to come. So obviously we have the KA right here, very, very nice, clean, very healthy engine going in. We have a 5-speed swap. We have really cool lighting coming up front. We have the clear headlight lenses. We have clear corner lamps, clear turn signals, and we have some really nice side markers as well. Engine bay is going to be very, very clean and OEM plus. We're going to retain AC. It's going to have everything you need, and it's just going to be a really clean, reliable setup. Obviously, you guys just saw we put the CTSV brakes on here. Really big upgrade. Seats, we're going to keep the interior very, very simple and just OEM plus, guys. It's going to be a trend with this car. We do have some Street Faction version 2 door cards coming up. They're actually in that box right there. They're very nice because they do actually shape the same way as a factory door card, so they're very nice. What else we got? We got a steering wheel coming. We have a hub and quick release. We also have floor mats. We'll do the whole shifter and obviously the shift boot, stuff like that. Gonna do the suede headliner because that's just a really nice classy touch that we can do. Clean out all of the carpet, all of the rear seats. If you guys ever sat in an S14 seat, you just know how comfortable they actually are. So we're just gonna keep those, clean them up, make them look as good as we can, brand new if possible. The rear, we have a lot of suspension components still to go. All of the suspension arms, actually the front, the arms as well for the components of the suspension are all going to be replaced. Tie rods, we have tension rods as well. Just a bunch of stuff, guys, a lot of stuff. We have a lot of braided lines going on the car. Tail lights, these tinted 50/50s actually look really, really good. I never really was a fan of 50/50s, I'll be honest, but seeing them on this car with this color, and obviously don't have them in right now, but we're gonna make a full video on these, and they look really good. Just trust me, guys. I know some of you may be thinking, don't really know, you should go to the Kooky, but for the price, there really is no comparison. The Kooky ones are very, very expensive, so this looks very cool. Very happy. Tinted windows, those are coming this coming week. We have an exhaust. We're not going to make this thing very loud, guys. I'm not a fan of just a loud 240, especially one that's stock-ish. We do have some mods for the engine actually coming, some little performance and you know, efficiency mods that will be going on to it, so stay tuned for those. So we'll have a clean exhaust setup, and we also have a new clutch going in. A lot of just efficiency, reliability, just stuff that'll keep you guys on the road for a long time. We're looking at the moment, we're trying to find a limited slip diff for this car. We will, maybe just for the time being, weld the diff just so we can have some fun. But we will be looking for unlimited slip. We actually have a Street Faction crash bar that's going in the front here. We will be removing the factory one. Really nice crash bar, guys. We're gonna paint it to match the yellow. It's gonna look really cool. It has a jack point up front, has a lot of add-ons, so it's gonna be a very slick setup. For the most part, I think that's pretty much it. That's more of the bigger stuff, guys. Like I said, just an OEM plus, clean, simple, really good looking build, if I do say so myself. We really put a lot of time on the exterior, and I really do think it shows. You know, you can roll up in this thing and just really turn some heads. So hopefully you guys do think so the same. The reason, well, first off, we've been, you know, if you've been keeping up with my Instagram especially, you've been seeing behind the scenes quite a bit, and you really would have seen that we've been putting a lot. When I say we, me and Morgan have been putting a lot of work into this thing the past week. We really were trying to get this thing to a point where we could have the engine in. We wanted to have it running, but obviously you guys can see we had a couple days setback that just didn't allow, which is fine because you guys still know that it's going to be an epic setup and it's going to look really good. And the support on the merch lately, guys, has been amazing. I don't want to talk about it too much, but thank you for everyone that who has supported us just recently the past couple days. The store's been on fire, breaking records. It really helps us out, and it only is going to allow us to expand, grow, do bigger and better things. So it's all because of you guys. So I really just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you, for real. It really means a lot. So it's going to continue to let me do what I love to do. And, you know, maybe we can just do more of these giveaways. And I think that would be a fun way to get some content as well. What do you guys think? But I don't want to make this video too long. Just a quick reminder, get your entries. You have an hour or two left. This is the real deal. Sweepstakes company does pick it officially, so we won't know until a couple weeks after the deadline, which is, like I said, a couple hours. Well, that's about it. I'm probably missing some stuff because I'm just so sleep deprived for the past week. We're not thinking straight, but we're still getting things done and they're coming out really well. So the grind is real. Hopefully you guys appreciate it, because we're putting in the work. So why are we putting all this time into this build, you ask? Well, guys, I really just want to showcase what we can do here. And this is, like I said, just the beginning. I want to show you guys that I care so much about the cars that I build. I literally treat them like they're mine. Anyone who has gotten work done by me on their car knows that. You know, it's something that I do not take lightly. I know that when people bring their cars to us, they expect the best, they're paying for the best, so that's exactly what they're gonna get. Even if that means we have to go ahead and take a loss, take some days out of our original plan and just fix something that just isn't 100% perfect, that I'm not just super excited on, that I know could be better, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. And that's just the way I am. I'm a perfectionist. I can't leave stuff alone until it's exactly how I want it. So like I said, I'm just rambling. I don't want to talk much about it, but I just want to let you guys know that, for future builds, or if you do want to bring your car here, because this shop is open to the public, I'm going to take care of you. And I promise that you have my word. So just trying to build some cool stuff out here is all. That's all I'm trying to do, guys. That's it. And just have a good time in the process. That's all I ask. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next one, and I guess the next video you guys will see, we'll have a winner. We won't know the winner, but there'll be a winner. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace. Good luck.